guys, welcome back to my channel. Chinese New Year is on the corner. So I have already collected some common questions from QUORA and my foreign friends. And I shot one Q&A video on my channel. You can check out the video below after finishing today's Chinese New Year vocabulary and sentences. If you're new to my channel, you can learn helpful Mandarin phrases and vocabulary from drama and movies. Apply them in your daily life. Also, you can learn about Taiwan's culture and common using terms on my channel. So, let's go to our topic today. In the first part, I will tell you about 3 common Chinese New Year customs in Mandarin, and I'll pick some helpful vocabulary and make some sentences that you can use in your daily life of the second part of the video. By the way, I also put 2 small Chinese tips in today's video. Check out the timestamp if you cannot wait to know it first. There are 3 very traditional customs that Taiwanese people would do in the Chinese New Year. The first one is to put spring couplets on the doorways. We will write down wise and good sentences such as bringing luck or fortune to our home and paste them on the doorways. The Mandarin of the custom will call it 贴春联. 贴春联. 贴 means paste. 春联 means spring couplets. Repeat after me. 贴春联. And there's one phrase like Taiwanese people mention about 贴春联, this custom. We call it 除旧不新, means we want to stay away from the bad luck in the past year and bring good luck to our home. So repeat after me. 除旧不新. 除旧不新. Alright, the second custom in the Chinese New Year should be spring cleaning. In Chinese, I'll call it 大扫除. And the meaning behind this custom is a little bit similar with 贴春联. We want to bring good luck, but we get good luck by sweeping dust out of the house. But there's one more thing must to keep in mind is we don't do spring cleaning, 大扫除, in the first few days of the Chinese New Year because you are going to sweep good luck out of the house. Normally, most families will start to do this activity a few weeks ago before the Chinese New Year is coming. Repeat after me of this custom. 大扫除. 大扫除. Alright, in this part, this traditional custom is similar to Christmas. Children receive present at Christmas, while Chinese children receive a red envelope from adults. If you want to check the difference between Christmas and Chinese New Year, I put a link in here and down below. You can check it out after watching more useful sentences in this video. Okay, so receive red envelope, we can call it 红包. 红包. But what exactly does an adult put inside of the red envelope? The answer is money. Don't ask me how much it is, because it depends on every parent's custom and mood. Of course, parents and older people or aunties and uncles also give children red envelope in the Chinese New Year. This should be the happiest moment for the children. But my mom, she brings that money to the bank to save it as my future budget. So thank you, Mom. After finishing these 3 Chinese customs and Mandarin vocabulary, if you want to have an excellent Chinese learning experience from professional teachers, you can check out the Chinese Tutorland, this website. They provide 25 minutes free trial class for you, but only click by my link, you can get a free trial class. I put a register link down below. You can check it out if you really want to have an excellent Chinese learning experience. Alright, remember we were mentioning the first custom is 贴春联. Put spring couplet on the doorway. And due to couplet's original meaning is two lines of poetry next to each other, especially ones that rhythm, they have same length and rhythm. I'll translate to 对句. This is more like a common vocabulary that you can use in your daily life. For example, my Chinese teacher asked us to write down couplets as our Chinese homework, which I think is challenging. 我的中文老师叫我写一行对句，当做今天的回家功课。这对我来说是一项挑战。Alright guys, here I have one Chinese tip want to teach with you guys and share with you. A measuring unit is not very common in English when you count the object, like how many people or how many books. In English, we don't add major unit in front of the object. The grammar structure is only number plus object. However, we have to add a measuring unit between numbers and object in Mandarin. So the grammar structure becomes numbers, major unit, and object. For example, the couplet in English is one couplet, but in Mandarin, I have to say one plus measuring unit and couplet. So I wouldn't say 一对句. This is not correct. Instead, I would say 一行对句. 一行对句, 行 is the measuring unit of the couplet. Did you notice about that? If you cannot understand this one, pause it and always go back to check it. Of course, different objects combined with different measuring units are challenging for a Mandarin beginner. If you still have confusion about that, leave your question in the comment below. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. But now, let's try to repeat the sentence with 对句 couplet. 我的中文老师叫我写一行对句，当做今天的回家功课。这对我来说是一项挑战。Still, remember the second custom? I'll give you 3 seconds to memorizing about it. Alright, the second custom that I mentioned was 大扫除, spring cleaning, and we'll pick cleaning to make the daily life sentence. Cleaning is the noun. You can translate to 扫除 or 清洁, but compared to the noun, the common use is the verb clean. I will translate to 打扫. The sentence with clean would be, you should clean the bathroom once a week because we share this shared bathroom. 你应该每周打扫一次厕所，因为这是我们一起使用的公共厕所。你应该每周打扫一次厕所，因为这是我们一起使用的公共厕所。Okay, here comes to the final sentence of this video. If you are still here, congratulations, because I have another small Chinese vocabulary I want to teach you in here, and it's very important. Remember, we talked about children's happiness time in the Chinese New Year is to get a red envelope. In Mandarin is 红包. But the red envelope list vocabulary in Chinese actually is 信封 instead of 红包. So the meaning of 信封 is exactly the meaning that you thought. A flat paper container with a syllable flat enclosing a letter or document. And this is the commonly used in our daily life. So I'll make the sentence with 可以麻烦你去书局的时候顺便帮我买一个信封吗? Translate to English is, could you please buy an envelope when you go to the bookstore? By the way, repeat after me. 可以麻烦你去书局的时候 顺便帮我买一个信封吗？ Okay, here is our review time. The first one is put spring couplets, 贴春联. And the meaning behind this custom is bring good luck to our home. In Chinese, 除旧布新. And spring cleaning is 大扫除. Red envelope, 红包. And here is our sentence time. 我的中文老师叫我写一行对句，当作今天的回家功课。这对我来说是一项挑战。我的中文老师叫我写一行对句，当作今天的回家功课。这对我来说是一项挑战。And the second sentence is, 你应该每周打扫一次厕所，因为这是我们一起使用的公共厕所。你应该每周打扫一次厕所，因为这是我们一起使用的公共厕所。And here comes to our last sentence. 可以麻烦你去书局的时候顺便帮我买一个信封吗？可以麻烦你去书局的时候顺便帮我买一个信封吗？ Alright, thank you guys for watching this video here. If you are interested in learning more about Chinese New Year customs, check out the video link here, and I will see you next time in my video as well. So, bye!